Guys, welcome to Maths with Isomnof. In this video, we'll be looking at differentiating a function y with respect to x. Generally, to differentiate a function y, let's say we are given, whenever we are defined that y is given to be something like x to the power of n, and we are told to differentiate y with respect to x, that is, the y dx should be equal to, we just have to add 1, multiply the power to the constant, and minus 1 from the power. This is the general form of differentiation. But here we are having a fraction. That means a quotient. To differentiate y with respect to x, we are going to use quotient rule. To use quotient rule to differentiate y with respect to x, it is very simple. All you have to do is that to know that dy dx using quotient rule, the formula is that v du minus u dv all over v squared. So we are going to define the u and the what? V from this given function. So to do that, you can now see that we assign the numerator, we assign the number at the top, the numerator, to be the u. So we can say let u be equal to what? 4x cubed minus plus 8. And we now define our v to be equal to what? 2x squared plus 3. Now you can now see that we can now rewrite our y to be equal to u over v. So this is just the function. Now, so first thing we do is that from here we need to differentiate u with respect to x, and also we need to differentiate v with respect to x. So to differentiate u with respect to x, du dx is equal to, we are going to apply the basic formula of differentiation. So we'll multiply the power to the constant and minus 1 from the power. So for u, we now multiply 3 times 4x, then differentiating a constant like 8 is 0. So we now minus 1 from 3, and this will give us 3 times 4 is 12, and this will give us 12x squared. This is du dx. So now we are going to look at the next one, dv dx. This is our v. Our v is 2x squared plus 3. So we are going to differentiate this v with respect to x. We'll multiply the 2 to the constant. So we'll have 2 times 2x squared minus 1. Differentiating a constant is also 0. And this will give us 2x squared, 2x. This will give us 2 times 2 is 4, 4x. Differentiating y with respect to x is equal to, our v is the denominator, so we have it as 2x squared plus 3. Then our du, du is equal to, that's differentiation of this is equals to 12x squared. Then this minus our u is the numerator, which is 4x cubed plus 8. Our dv is equal to what? Our dv is equal to 4x. Then divided by what? Our v squared. Our v squared is what? 2x squared plus 3 all squared. And this is the function we got. So let's simplify the numerator first. So we use 12x squared to multiply everything in the box. 12x squared times 2x squared. This is going to give us 24x. You just have to add the powers there. Since you are multiplying to the power of 4, if you multiply this one, you have it as plus 36x squared. Then use minus 4 here because of this minus. Minus 4x times 4x squared, that will be minus 4 times 4 is 16, 16x to the power of 4. Then minus 4 times 8 will be minus 32x. divided by 2x squared plus 3 all to the power of 2. That dy dx is equal to, we have this power 4, these two are the same. So 24 power 4 minus 16 power 4 is going to give us 8x power 4. Then 36 squared doesn't have a factor, plus 36 squared, then minus 36x squared, sorry, minus 32x, then divided by 2x squared plus 3, then raised to the power of 2. So this particular form now is a complete differentiation of this given function using the quotient rule. If the video is helpful, please like, comment, and share it to your friends for more math help. Bye.